Yeah, battery insulator. Freaking piece of shit. Look at this. So usually now it's a season ending, you get these piece of shit cars, and these freaking people just leave all their trash in here and don't give a fuck and get a new car and drive away. This thing got bad wheel bearings, though. You hear it? Bad hubs in the back. I say right rear. Definitely bad bearings. Alright, and this thing, I'm looking at an oil change sticker right now. So some shop changed the oil. They must have added like about 2 quarts extra oil on it. I mean, this thing is over full. And then some. This thing probably has like 5-6 quarts of oil in it. Well, maybe 6 quarts. It's probably more than 5. It's crazy, man. What a freaking piece of shit. It's all over the damn road.